What is Breathe and why should companies use it?
So Breathe is a simple and secure cloud-based HR management software. Some of our key features are kind of your people data management, so you can store your people's information securely, and they can also use a self-service to update their details. We've got holiday management, our most popular feature, obviously, so it streamlines the leave approval process. Sickness and absence tracking, so you can also use reports to monitor trends. And also we've got document storage as well, so that way you can safely organise all important documents and make sure that your people have what they need. We've got performance monitoring as well, so you can schedule one-to-ones and set objectives and deliverables and use the system to monitor the progress as well. There is also much more, but I won't go into too much detail or I'll bamboozle you, but we've also got additional modules as well, for example, expense management, employee learn, so that's Breathe Learn, and we've got rota time and attendance as well, so that's obviously rota planning. The main reasons for using Breathe and why we'd recommend it to any SME is that it generally makes HR processes quicker and smoother, which of course saves valuable time. In saving time, it's very cost effective. Breathe is very competitively priced and brings about a great return on investment by saving time. It facilitates remote working, which is as popular as ever at the moment, so that documents and data can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. It helps companies achieve GDPR compliance by securely storing all their data and configuring permissions so that the right people see the right data. It improves company culture as well, as employees feel more empowered by the self-service functions, and also there's increased transparency, so they've got all of the stuff they need just at the touch of a button.
As the Breathe representative at SYLO Beyond HR, what would you say are the benefits our clients are seeing using Breathe?
Following on from the pandemic and seeing how the shift in working has happened, a lot of our clients are still doing hybrid working and some employees are still working from home. Breathe helps the line managers by having all the information at their fingertips, whether it be annual leave requests, sickness reports, or documents. This also works well for clients who have multiple sites. We've seen an increase in the clients that we have who work throughout the country, basically, and it's great that they can access their individual records then, and also international clients as well. So people who have employees who are in France or Germany or elsewhere, and it's really great to have that information so available to them.
How do you use Breathe on behalf of some of our clients?
As their remote HR partner, we have access to all their employee contractor information, so we can upload documents, make adjustments to holiday calculations, and assist in the employee queries without having to be in our client's office. This makes for a seamless and professional service, as well as a much more efficient use of our time when we're not travelling to client sites or wading through paperwork. CEA, who is a client of ours, have a considerable number of contractors, so I've implemented the use of reminder function on Breathe to notify the HR user 3 months and a month prior to the end of a contract, to contact the line manager to find out if they want to extend the individual contractor.
How do you work with SYLO Beyond HR to deliver Breathe to clients?
SYLO Beyond HR is one of our fantastic Breathe partners. We provide them with resources, tools, training and constant support in implementing Breathe with their client base and also potential clients. We recognise that Breathe helps our partners with performing their HR tasks for their clients, and that Breathe is so beneficial for the client's company, and we do everything we can do to support them with integrating Breathe into our partners' business offerings. They have also explained to me in the past that it enables them to be more efficient when handling clients' HR needs and requests. It also allows them to work more flexibly, but still provide an excellent HR management service. As an account manager, I like to think of myself as part of the team. So I'm always on hand to answer any queries or help in any way I can, even including attending events and just kind of helping out at my partner's stands.
We also use Breathe here at SYLO Beyond HR. How do you use it in your everyday work to benefit SYLO Beyond HR?
Having the SYLO team use Breathe is great because we can tell our clients that we use it and we understand it, the simplicity of the system, and therefore we can help any queries they may have across the team, not just myself as the Breathe guru. And our associates use the system as well as our employees, so we can see at a glance when they're not available using the holiday function. So whilst they don't have a leave allowance, the associates can note when they're not available or when they're on holiday, which helps us when we're allocating client work. Or if an urgent call comes in, we can see at a glance from the holiday calendar whether anybody's available. And of course, all the usual benefits of Breathe help our SYLO team. So we keep all our documentation on there and contact numbers and everything. So yeah, we love Breathe.